So I've gotten some messages about running or starting a cleaning business, and it's a little out of the box from what I usually talk about, but my family's been doing this for 40 years, so here's 3 tips. Number 1, if you're just getting started, choose your specialty. In the cleaning world, there's a variety of things to clean: windows, carpet, house cleaning, exterior cleaning. Pick one and knock it out of the park. Number 2, build your reputation. This might be oversimplifying it, but do a really good job for your clients and they'll take care of you, whether that's a referral or even a Google review. Your reputation is worth more than money. And number 3, stay organized. Now, 40 years ago when my grandfather started our business, everything was done by pen and paper. Very little computers were used. However, today we utilize something called a CRM, which is a customer relationship management software. Essentially what that does is keeps all of our invoicing, scheduling, and all of our business stuff in one place. I'm a clean freak, but I won't lie, business organization is not my strong suit, so this helps me stay on track and focus on the things I want to do, like cleaning. Now, I'm always trying and learning new things in our business, but those 3 things have helped us a ton over the last 40 years, and I hope they can help you too.